Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time you invest in watching these videos. Today we're at the Oregon Garden, and the Oregon Garden is in Staten. No, it's in Silverton, Oregon, and that's just east of the state capital of Salem. So we're going to ride around and see what it looks like. I've never been here. You can come along with and find out what it's like. Okay, so let's go see some flowers. So I bought a ticket for the tram ride, and we're just going to ride around. It's almost closing time. I barely got here. So I may come back at a different time to give you a better look. But for now, we're going to ride the tram and see what the garden's all about. You can buy the art that's here if you can afford it. This is kind of a cool bench. It's a dragonfly bench. There is a lot of wildlife around here. I've seen squirrels going through. Also saw a deer as I was walking up to the admissions building. Here's an interesting bench. A butterfly bench. They have a lot of weddings down there in that little field. I guess they're having one here tomorrow from what I heard. I can't imagine how much work it takes to keep all this up. The visitor center has a cafe and a gift shop in it. Some very interesting measuring spoons. I would suggest that you get here early when you come, and you can find out a whole bunch more information down in the description below. I've got a link to the Oregon Garden. If you're coming to the central part of the Willamette Valley, or any part of the Willamette Valley here in Oregon, if you're coming to Portland or Salem or Eugene, it's somewhat central and not that far of a drive. I hope you liked what you saw here today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to help support the channel, there's a thanks button down below. You can click and leave a little tip, and that will help support all the things we do here. Could always use subscribers. You might think about subscribing. If you have anything at all, be sure to comment down below. Have you been here? Would you like to be here? And next week, we've got something completely different, and we will see you next week.